Alright, so we just got home from a trip and it's a really nice day, so I think we're gonna do the second part of the boat today. So that means we're gonna be launching it. Propped it up on a jet ski trailer that's way too small for this thing. We don't know how we're gonna get this out. And we're waiting for him to finish cutting the yard because we cannot launch it with those. We have to launch it with that. And that's a company vehicle, and only you can drive it. Oh boy, it's gonna be interesting. We're good on this side.
All right, hold on. All right, right there. Where's your rope?
Let me just jump over there real quick. Alright, push.
Colin, go forward, but be careful because I'm balancing. Keep going. Keep going.
So the boat is set sail. We are headed that direction. We are heading north. It's nice. I would jump in, but the water's quite cold. We can also go up in there because there's a few creeks back there. Do you think we could fit through there? Maybe. Hopefully we don't get stuck. Well, I'll catch up with you guys once we get over to my grandma's house, because that's where we're going. We are arriving at our first stop on our voyage, which is my grandma's house. And my cousins are here. So we're gonna go visit with them. Take them out on the boat.
You got your little motor. Where'd you get the motor from?
It was just in the, it was in the shed.
We don't drop my phone because that's
So, we got Angelina, we got Aiden, we got me, we got Tanner.
He's gonna tip the whole ship.
We are cruising around. Bye bye.
He's pretty fast.
So we're sailing out on the boat. There's a barrel down there that had a rusted cap and now it's leaking, but it's not really that big of a problem. It's not leaking that much. We're heading back over to my place to get some towels because we're gonna be jumping in the water. It is very cold though. Isn't it cold, Angelina?
Yes. Really cold.
So basically right now we are listing. So this side is going down more than that side because there's a rust, the cap on that, and it's taking on water. So what we are going to do is take this out because the more water that gets in, it's going to be harder to take out and we don't want it to sink. So yes, that's what's happening.
Let me see the thread tight. Yes, it's the wrong thread.
Oh my gosh!
You think that was the only one leaking? Look, that other one's leaking back
Yeah.
there. Go take the cap off that one. Here.
Wow.
That one's
Just a little bit more water in the other side.
Nah. The other four barrels.
Those pants fit you?
Yeah.
Good.
Wow. Alright, I don't know how well the quality is on this, but I am over here. I am filming the outro to the video for today. I'm very tired. It's 9:43 p.m. on May 3rd. This video is going up on the 4th. I'm almost done editing it. I just want to say thanks for watching. In part 3, we're going to do fixing the boat, then putting it out in the water again. So that's it for part 2. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Be sure to tune in for part 3. And I've had fun doing this project, and I'm going to do so many more videos on it in the future. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.